Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send GIFs in Slack. Now, once you're in Slack, guys, if you notice at the bottom here when you're going to type, you have an emoji button. If you click on that, there is no GIF option for you to send. As well, if you're even trying to react to a message, you only have to react and it's only the emoji. But no worries, you can easily send GIFs on Windows with no additional third-party application. So what do you need to do is while you have Slack open on Windows, is simple press the Windows plus V key on your computer. So Windows plus V for Victor together, and that's going to open up your clipboard. Now you want to click on the GIF option right here and type in whatever GIF you want. So I'm going to type haha for laughing, right? For example, and let's say I want to go ahead and send this kid right here laughing. So just need to click on it and you will see immediately that it jumps and send it right into that section here for the chat in Slack. So all I have to do now, guys, is just simply click on the send button, and guess what? I send the GIF in Slack. And that's how easy it is, guys. If you found value here, give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. And thank you guys for watching. That's the easiest way how to do it, guys.